Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we got a 1969 Corvette Convertible. I got Jeff here, the owner of many years.
Since 1983.
1983, huh?
Yep.
Wow. It's finished in Monza red with a black interior. It's got a 350 and a 4-speed. The motor was built by
Jack Merkel.
Jack Merkel.
A legend.
He is, right?
Yep.
He's a go-to guy on Long Island. So tell us about it.
Well, I bought the car in '83 and it needed a lot of work, and I started ground up. I put tires, mufflers, you name it. Pulled the motor out, sent it to Mr. Merkel. He did a great job. It's a little slightly modified more than a 350.
Mm-hmm.
And I have all the documentation for that.
So it's got a mild cam in it.
Yep, mild cam.
When did he rebuild it? How long ago?
1988.
88. Cool. And
at
how
the
many?
time, the car had 36,000 miles on it. Now it's got like 60.
Wow. Cool.
So
you got a hardtop on it. Which really gives it a nice look on it.
Yeah.
Nice big tire in the back. It's got the original motor, right?
Yeah. Also has the M22, what they used to call the rock crusher transmission.
That's the best tranny.
So
super nice paint, chrome, stainless. I love these cars. These are going to be our new C2s. Beautiful interior. Like you said, 4-speed. It's got a custom stereo in it. I'll fire it up for you in a minute. Pop the hood. Tilt and telly.
Yep.
Got the original shielding on here. New steering box?
Yeah, it's only in there a year.
Wow, cool. Flex fan. Looks like you got new cans up front too, huh?
Yep.
So the headlights work really nice. I like how you have manifolds here instead of headers, which is nice. So what kind of horse do you think it has after Merkel did his magic?
Merkel told me that it was 365 plus.
Oh, wow. Can you fire it up?
Sure.
And real nice oil pressure. Custom stereo, that's got aux in, right?
Yes.
It's showing 53,445 miles right now.
Right.
Real nice dash. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. And you can also check out more pictures today. I took about 200 of them. They're on my website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.